Hello friends, in this video we will discuss Pleotropy or pleiotropic gene. According to Mendel, one gene or you can say factor affects only one trait. For example, suppose this is a gene capital T. This causes tallness. So this gene affects only single trait. But this is not true for all genes. Some genes affects more than one trait. And these genes are called pleiotropic genes, and the phenomenon by which, or you can say phenomenon in which one gene affects more than one trait is called pleotropy. So this pleotropy is made up of two Greek words. Pleo plus tropic. Pleo means many, tropic means affecting. So pleotropy is a phenomenon in which one gene affects more than one trait, or you can also say that phenotype. So it is a phenomenon in which one gene, for example, this is a chromosome and there is a gene, that is gene A, and this gene, this A gene affects A, B, C. So these are traits. A, B, C, A trait, B trait and C trait. So if this gene A affects these three traits, then this gene will be called pleiotropic gene. And phenomenon, whole phenomenon in which gene affect more than one trait, this whole phenomenon will be called pleotropy. So when one gene affect more than one trait, then this phenomenon will be called pleotropy and that gene will be called pleiotropic gene. So here gene A is pleiotropic gene. For example, fibrillin 1 gene, FBN1. So this fibrillin 1 gene is present in 50 number chromosome of human. In humans, on 15 chromosome, a gene is present that is called fibrillin 1 gene. This gene, mutation in this gene, FBN1, mutation in this FBN1 gene causes Marfan syndrome. Some scientists believe that famous American president Abraham Lincoln was affected with that syndrome. So mutation in FBN1 gene causes Marfan syndrome. In Marfan syndrome, or person which is affected with Marfan syndrome have abnormally tall height or you can say they are taller, abnormally taller, they are tall, large, or you can say long limbs, they have long limbs, long fingers, abnormal chest size, and they also have heart related problems. So a person in which this gene, this FBN1 gene, which is present on 15 number chromosome, is mutated, it causes Marfan syndrome. In Marfan syndrome, or you can say person affected with Marfan syndrome are abnormally taller and they have long limbs, long fingers, abnormal chest size, and heart related problems. So you can say that this one gene here affecting more than one trait. Here it is affecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 traits. So this FBN1 gene here will be called Pleotropic gene, and the phenomenon, this phenomenon will be called Pleotropy. So Pleotropy is a phenomenon in which one gene affects more than one trait, and the gene that affects more than one trait will be called pleiotropic gene. So this is pleiotropy.